Question 37 is, what is an EPC and why do I need one? So one of the fail-safes in the bus scheme is that an EPC is done on your house. So an EPC is an energy performance certificate. Pretty much every house has one. If you've bought a house in the last 15 years, you'll know the form. It has a very characteristic colour scheme that you'll see in the graphic, and you will have one telling you how your house rates. A is the best, G is the worst. But what the EPC is really looking for is to check you have things like double glazing, loft insulation, etc., etc. And it gives you some tips on how you could save money and energy in your house. So one of the absolute rules of the bus scheme is that an EPC has been completed on your house in the last 10 years. You can actually go online on Google and search for the EPC and see if you have one for your house. It's very, very simple. Just type search for EPC for my house in Google. The most important thing is that on the EPC they're looking for two pieces of information. That you have, if you have cavity walls in your house, you've had cavity wall insulation installed, and if you have a loft in your house, you've had loft insulation installed. The reason being, the government doesn't want to incentivize you to go green with your boiler in a house which hasn't got loft insulation or cavity wall insulation. So they're the two things that they really insist on you having completed, and that's what we're looking for in your EPC. Without an EPC, you will not get the voucher for £5,000.